Module 9, building multiple and reusable action. Exercise 1, creating reusable action. Start the flight reservation application to create a new test titled action in UFT. Start recording. In the recording action toolbar, click Call to New Action. Specify the action name as login and specify the description and other details as okay. Kanya ko basahin yung dialog box check. Log in the flight booking application by entering the username and password and clicking the OK button. Agent name, training, and password, Mercury. Create two new action. Insert order and log out, which perform the insert and log off action. From the recording toolbar, click the call to new action icon. This opens the insert call to new action dialog box. In the name field, type insert order. In the description field, type recording user action for booking a flight ticket. Check the reusable action checkbox and click OK button in the insert call to new action dialog box. Enter the following details in the flight reservation window, which is open. Date of flight, any date later than the current date in month, date, year format. Fly from Denver. Fly to Frankfurt. Click the flight button in the flight reservation window. Let the default selection remain and click the OK button in the flight table window. Type Josephine in the name field. Type 8 in tickets field and select first as the class of travel. Click the insert order button in the flight reservation window. Click the new order button. Click again on the call to new action icon in the recording toolbar. Then type log out in the name field of the insert call to new action dialog. Click the OK button. Click file and exit. Click stop on the recording toolbar to stop recording. Action 1 has no steps, therefore delete it by right clicking the action 1 entry and clicking the delete action option. Click yes on the UFT pop-up window. Double click the login action in the Solution Explorer to open the login action If you are not in the expert view, click View Editor to go to the expert view. In the first line of the script, insert the following text to automatically open the flight application login dialog when the execution starts. Save your test. Exercise 2, using the local database data table sheet. From the Solution Explorer, double-click the Insert Order action to open that action. From the keyword view of Insert Order, parameterize fly from and fly to. To do that, click the value cell for fly from step and press Ctrl plus 11 to open the value configuration option dialog box. Click the parameter radio button and select data table from the drop-down list. In the name field, select fly from. Select the current action sheet local radio button and click the OK button. Similarly, parameterize the fly to step. Populate the data table with the values. Fly from Denver, London, Zurich, fly to Frankfurt, Paris, and Sydney. Then save the test and execute it.
Ito ah. Ito po. Ano tadi?
If you wanna leave, your first run is error, then execute it again. Exercise 3. Executing test multiple action. Click the action tab. Go to the canvas and right click the insert order action. Right click the insert order action and select action call properties option. In the run tab, select the run on all rules radio button. If action call properties hint dialog appears, click the OK button. Click the OK button. Run the test again and observe the result. Then save the test.
Sige natin.
Okay. Exercise 4. Calling a reusable action. Create a new test with the file, title, call at action. Click the create button in the new test dialog box. Exercise 4. Calling a reusable action. Create a test with a title call action. As you already log in using insert order and log out action defined in another test, you don't need to run this again. You can simply call actions from the previous test to the new test. On the FT menu bar, click Design, Call to Existing Action. Select the test action which contains reusable action. The action test can be found. Select your previous test action from the test folder. In the select action dialog, check if previous reusable action has been loaded. If the automatic relative path conversion dialog appears, click yes. Select the login action and click the OK button. This loads the reusable login action for your test. Similarly, call the insert order action in the call action test. In the solution explorer, right right click the call action and select add call to existing action. From the select action field, browse to action test which you created earlier. The automatic relative path conversion dialog. After the logout action is also called, the solution explorer looks similar to the following. Select the insert order action and then go to the prospective data table. And then execute the test. View the results which shows the test action is called from the test in square brackets. Then save the test. Then exit UFT.